Good morning everybody, Mr. Eric here with another video. So this one will be focused on collision detection and just to kind of show you how to allow one sprite to interact with another sprite and for something to happen from there. So we have left off with our sprite moving with WASD. So we got click D moving right, A moving left, W moving up, and S moving down. Okay. So let's introduce another sprite. Let's just have an apple. So let's just say the cat is looking for the apple. So obviously I can move up. Let's say you're doing like a collection game. So collection 1, that will be done. Let me just change this because no, it's fine. One, yeah. And let me just show you how the collision works. So let's just say at any one time you are looking to see if the apple is touching the cat. So when the green flag is clicked, it will check. And this is where you need to use some of your control statements now. So if you have, if the apple is touching, you can see sprite 1 here, but I find that this never really works. So let me just see if the apple can just say hello if it's touching. Okay, so I press the green flag. Nothing actually happens because it only checks it once. So you have to do this indefinitely. It's always checking, always checking, always checking now. So let's go onto our screen. Let's see if our cat, oh, it does say hello. There we go. And it's still checking, hello, and hello. So that was easy enough. In my actual game mechanic, in my shooting game, I have used the touching of the colour excuse me, instead, but some one of these should work, especially if it is sprite inside of Scratch itself. I think it's because I uploaded a few sprites as well. So we don't obviously want the apple to say hello. So inside here is what we do to change. So first of all, what I want to do is move the apple around the screen. So let's just say once it touches, go to a random position. Let's see if that works. Oop. Good. Oop. And let's move backwards. Oh, got it. Got it again. Got it again. And going up. And very nice, simple game here. And that is a little bit of collision detection. And I'll just show you exactly the same thing. If you didn't want to use the sprite touching here, you can use the color touching. If it notifies, and what happens here, if you check, it can see, once you are clicking, once you have seen, oh, not this one, because we are the apple, once the cat is touching. So you see exactly the same thing. Once the cat is touching the apple, because it's looking for the color, it will still go to a random position. So you can use either one of these in there. And that video, boys and girls, is collision detection inside of Scratch. You do need a forever and you need an if. What that allows you to do is to say it repeats it over and over again, and it's checking over and over again whether something is happening, whether it is actually the condition is met. So touching the sprite. You should always do this in the section of not the sprite that is moving, but the sprite that is staying still. It makes it a little bit easier. Otherwise, you have to put in 4 different pieces of code over and over again, and it makes it a little bit more complicated. So that is collision detection, boys and girls, and I will see you in the next one.